In this quick video, I'll show how to connect Claude AI with your Smartsheet account. After logging into Claude, come down to your settings, your account settings in the lower left, choose settings, and then go to connectors in that menu. You can then browse connectors and find Smartsheet. Clicking on that will bring up the window where you can click connect, and then you have to paste the server URL for your region. Feel free to visit smartworkflowguru.com/smartsheetclaude, and you'll be taken to this little guide where you can find the MCP server URLs. I am using the US region, so I will copy that server URL. After copying that, I'll paste it here into the server URL box, click continue, and then I'll have to authenticate my Smartsheet account. If you are already logged into Smartsheet in your browser, it should pick up those credentials already. So I'll go ahead and log in. You'll then have to allow access, and you'll be taken back to Claude AI's settings page, where you will see that Smartsheet is now connected. While I'm here, I'm going to show how you can configure some of the settings as far as permissions. You can click on configure, and you can see various tool permissions related to how Claude can interact with your Smartsheet account. Some things like browse folder are turned on by default. If you wish to allow the read-only tools to always run, you can choose always allow, or you can say that they need approval. Leaving it on custom will allow you to handle this on a case-by-case basis. Scrolling down, you get to the write and delete tool permissions. Be very careful what you allow here, but if you're a power user and know what you're doing, you can, of course, allow them all. For things that are destructive, such as deleting, you may want to leave it on needs approval. So that way, if you tell Claude to delete a row, delete a column, or delete data, it will ask you to verify that, yes, you do want to do that. Now that that's set up, you can go ahead and click that new chat button and chat with your Smartsheet account. Thanks for watching.